10 years ago, presentations were about blackboards, transparencies, and overhead projectors. Today we use laptops and projectors, but our slides, aside from being electronic, haven't changed much. Presentation software such as PowerPoint has two modes, one for the author and one for the presenter. But every presentation has a third party, the viewer, who has different needs from the author or presenter. In this work, we present a view for the viewer, or v4v, which addresses the needs of someone viewing a presentation. We provide the viewer with the ability to quickly look through the slides, easily synchronize and desynchronize with the presenter, and annotate the slides with a variety of annotation paradigms. Our work focuses on the representation and interaction paradigms best suited to the viewer. We assume that the viewer receives a copy of the slides before the presentation. We organize the slides in an ordered stack to enable fast and easy browsing. The viewer scrolls through the slides, selects one, and clicks. The camera zooms closer so the viewer can see the content well. To pick a different slide, the viewer clicks outside of any slide, and the camera zooms back. Now he can see all the slides and select a different one. v4v uses a single-click interaction model which makes it suitable for a variety of devices. To advance forward and backward through the presentation, the viewer clicks the up and down arrows. But at the start of a presentation, the viewer is usually listening to the presenter and is synchronized with the presenter's actions. As the presenter proceeds with the presentation, the viewer's slides are automatically advanced. When the viewer wants to pause and take notes, all he has to do is click on the slide. A picture-in-picture view shows the presenter's current slide. The presenter advances to the next slide, while the viewer is now free to take notes. An orange outline shows the viewer whether he is ahead or behind the presenter. To synchronize again, the viewer clicks in the picture-in-picture view, and his slides automatically advance to the presenter's current slide. We provide 4 different annotation techniques. The viewer can flag a slide as important with the red diamond. When a slide is flagged, it splits the stack and creates sections, such as chapter headings. This makes it easy to access important slides. The green diamond opens a web browser and is useful for accessing references. The blue diamond is used for text, which is displayed to the right of the slide. The white rectangle expands into a canvas that can be used for drawing or marking the slide. While the presenter is not required to provide anything more than the presentation, he can choose to embed extra information in the slides, for instance, links to reference material. Lastly, we provide a notification mechanism through the alarm clock. The viewer can activate an alarm clock and continue exploring other parts of the presentation. When the presenter reaches the active alarm, the picture-in-picture view starts blinking and alerts the viewer. In a preliminary user study, participants found v4v to be very helpful for following the presentation and exploring references. When discussing the easy synchronization mechanism, one participant exclaimed, "I can't believe how helpful that was." We have presented a framework for viewing slides that is specifically focused on the needs of the viewer and provides a fast browsing experience, easy synchronization and navigation techniques, and a variety of annotation mechanisms.